Hello. Hey guys, what's up, man? Welcome back to Art Adventures. Hey guys, so if you've watched in the last week or so, one of my past videos was how to build this Lego Minion. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw one. Go ahead and grab a pen, pencil, marker, whatever it is that you want to draw with. I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys started on how to actually draw a Minion. Basic shape, we're gonna do like a bean shape in the middle. If you've looked at any of my videos for say the turkeys or something like that, it's gonna be kind of like a bean shape, a little bit thinner on the top, but kind of like a oval / rectangular shape in the middle. All right, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna give this guy some really short stubby legs and do that. Okay, that's gonna be the entire body. This is gonna be his legs. We'll do the feet later, but we gotta get the basic shape done. Okay, so in order to start with everything else, we gotta get his eyes. Now I'm gonna do one eye. If you would like to do two eyes, go ahead and do two eyes. That's no problem. I'm gonna do one big cyclops eye in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna give him a little bit of a reaction. So I'm gonna do slightly curved line there, and then a slightly curved line there. Almost reminds me of like a SpongeBob eye or plankton. Okay, then I'm gonna do a big circle there with a smaller circle on the inside, and then we can color that one in black. If you have a pencil and you're planning on doing this in marker later, don't color it in, it doesn't matter because you're just gonna color it in anyways. So if you have a marker, you can go ahead and color it in now. So that's gonna be the iris, which is gonna be a different color. And then that's gonna be the actual eyeball, so it's gonna be white. And these are his eyelids that are kind of giving us a little bit of emotion. All right, so now we got our center eye goggle done. Give it two small little rectangle shapes here. That's gonna be kind of like a buckle. That's gonna allow the strap to hang on to the actual lens itself. Boom, do a slight line and curve it up a little bit. Same here, curve it up a little bit. Okay, so now you have that. That's the head, that's the face, and we gotta go ahead and give him a reaction. So if you want to keep it like a small little smirk like that, that's no problem. But I'm gonna go up a little bit and then down over again. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give him some SpongeBob teeth. And then I'm gonna go ahead and color that in. Again, if you don't have a marker and you plan on using markers, you don't have to color it in. All right, so next thing, we're gonna go ahead and right under here, we're gonna do a line. This is just a guide. I would say probably about to the edge of this and the edge of this, which I'm a little short on, so I'll put it a little bit out. Now, from there, you're gonna take a like a loop around here, and that's gonna be his overalls, okay? Watch this. I'm gonna take a line, I'm gonna go to that corner, I'm gonna go around that corner and back up. All right, same thing. I'm gonna go here, go to that corner, around the corner, back up. Inside there, small little circle, right? Next thing, under here, a slightly curved, like a smiley face line. Two straight lines down. And then another slight curve this way. That's the pocket that he has on his actual overalls. Now, this, imagine, has to go past this button. If that circle is the button, this has to go past. So that means that when you come down, it's gonna come down from here. Okay, and then go just past that pocket and then start curving out. Same thing, if it's gonna go past that button, it's gotta come here at least, and then boom, and then it can start curving out. Okay, next thing, inside that pocket, draw a little circle. This circle has to be pretty big considering the size of the pocket. It has to be pretty big, okay? Now, this part's gonna get tricky, so you kind of do this part to the best of your ability if you wanna follow along with me, or if you would like to do your own G. But I have a marker, so this is gonna be kind of tough on me. But if you wanna look up online how the actual logo looks, it's probably a little easier to do with pencil or something else than a permanent marker, okay? But it is a G like this. It's gonna get coloring in the background. Typically it would be a black circle, I believe, and a white outline G, but that's kind of hard to do with this. So I'm gonna leave that black and I'll just do that a different color. And it is what it is. All right, so next thing. He has overalls, but he has an actual shirt on under. So we gotta give him a shirt, which is gonna be just a basic line here and a basic line here. Okay, once we do that, we're gonna jump over to his arms. Remember, overalls don't go under your arms, they go over your arms. So the top of your shoulder is gonna come out like this, and it's gonna come down, and it's gonna stop right around where that shirt is, okay? And then you can bring that back up and curve it in. Same thing here. This one looks like I drew it a little bit shorter than this one, so it's gonna look a little off on mine, but that's all right. Down to the pocket, or to the shirt. Boom, bring it up. Okay, you're gonna do a line and two lines that kind of go in. I'll do that one again. A line and a diagonal line that goes in, and a diagonal line that goes in. Okay, next thing, minions typically, to my knowledge, only have 3 fingers. So I may be wrong, you let me know in the comments. Anyways, a C. And on this one, we'll do a backwards C. Okay, and then you're gonna go to that C, and you're gonna go down like a J and over. Okay, again, down like a J, come over, and then you're gonna do like another J the same direction and connect it. J the same direction and connect it. All right, next thing, we're gonna go ahead and do his feet, and his feet are pretty simple. All you gotta do is go in the center of this, go down a little bit and do a curve like that. Same thing in the center, curve up like that. And these are gonna be the boots. So we're gonna go to the edge of this, go down, same thing, go down. Then you're gonna draw a line like that, and that is a little off because there's gonna be a bottom sole. So let's do that again. We can do it opposite as well, like this, and then up, bring that over. If I went too fast on any part of these, it's YouTube, guys, pause it, rewind, go back 15 seconds, and you'll be able to actually see what I did more than once. Go ahead and rewind it as many times as you need. All right, last 2 things. We got some personality on the face, but he's bald. I don't like bald minions, so I'm gonna give him some hair, and this hair is literally going to be just like some really strange hair like this, almost like the purple mean minion. But yeah, that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. All right, so last thing, I like to give myself a background. I don't like leaving it a floating object in a white space or a white void. And instead of doing an actual full-blown background, I typically give myself a rectangular shape, triangular shape, something like that. So if you want to give yourself a full-blown background, or draw some more minions in the background smaller so it looks like they're far away, whatever it might be, put them in a factory, something like that. go ahead and do it. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and do my typical background. Do a line like that, come across. Now these lines do not have to match up exactly where mine do. It's not about getting the background to a T. It's about having something that makes your picture look a little bit better. All right, drag that one out just a little bit longer, and then I'll go ahead and try to connect that to the best of my ability, hopefully. It's pretty good. All right, so I got myself a background. So next step, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy colored. And if you need a little bit of reference, there you go. I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. All right, guys, so basically what I'm doing is I'm grabbing a light and a dark color of each color that I'm gonna use, which basically is blue and yellow. I do have a brown for the strap, a silver, and a gray for the highlights, and the black for the gloves and the boots, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this colored. I'm gonna fast forward and let you guys check it out. All right, guys, so I did a thumbnail earlier, and I just want to show you what I did. As far as the colors go, I think this color looks great as a background, but then I thought, let me just go with the purple, since purple complements the yellow, and it'll pop out a little bit more. I do like the green, so if you want to do a green background, it looks great. The purple is what I'm gonna go with, so yeah, I just want to show you that to give you guys a little bit of option, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a purple. I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. All right, well, there you have it. There is your Minion drawing and coloring. This was a really fun one. I really enjoyed the Lego set that I made for this. And then just being able to put it down to pen and paper and getting it colored is really fun. So definitely something that you guys can do if you have Legos, but then you also have things to color with and draw with. You can do one of each, do a drawing, color it, and then build that same thing in Legos. Or take any of the other projects that we did in pen and paper, drawing, whatever it might be, coloring, and turn it into a Lego set. So yeah, just be creative, have fun, enjoy yourself. Yeah, guys, if you like this video, if you like to see more Minions, leave a thumbs up. Shoot me a comment if you want to see different styles of Minions, whether you want them to be a little bit more silly, purple Minion, whatever it is, anything. Let me know in the comments. Other than that, drop a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Thank you guys again. Reached 300 subscribers in such a short amount of time, so I appreciate it. I'm gonna keep popping out these videos as often as I can. Love you guys. See you guys soon. Peace.